bathroom. Yeah, I guess I'm in a bathroom inside an airplane. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. It's so tiny in here. Wow, how do they make everything so tiny? It looks like there's 2 sinks, but there's only 1. Oh, hey. Look, you can see me doing YouTube. I'm doing YouTube. What should I do now? What should I do now? I'm a little afraid that people outside the I'm afraid of what people outside the bathroom are thinking. Ah, look at the infinite. There's like an infinite loop somewhere. It's right there. Ah, cool. I guess I should go back. I guess I should go back to my seat. Okay. Goodbye, bathroom. Bye, bathroom. Whoa! What's all that stuff? Look at all these people. Whoa! Look at all those clouds. Look at all those clouds. Man, we're doing some magic right now. How do we get way up here? Who invited us up here? That's what I want to know. This is cool. Look, there's a mountain down there. Whoa! It's not every day you get to touch a cloud while looking at a mountain from above the mountain. I don't think I've done that in a long time. These mountains must be large because they got snowflakes on them still. They got all kinds of snowflakes on them. Look at them. There's snowflakes everywhere. Okay, I guess that's it. Goodbye clouds, goodbye mountains.